Make sure the rear straps are tight. That rust is barely holding. I've got this one secured. Looks good to go.
The roof line is completely buckled here. Yeah, that's 70% structural damage right there.
Look at the collapse on the roof section. It's much worse than the initial assessment suggested.
Okay, try that clip on the end there. Got it, got it. Watch out, it's coming down.
It's loose now. Let's take it out the back. All right, I've got this side.
All right, it's loose.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch out below, that section's coming down. Holy cow, look at all that dust. Bring it over here.
Is that perpendicular? Looks good. Hold it steady while I start the arc.
A plasma cutter cuts the corroded hanger bracket free from the chassis rail. The new heavy gauge replacement is positioned and the welder runs the initial tack.
Check the lower rail gap.
Perfect alignment.
Confirmed. Going hot. Hold it steady right there.
There.
Gap looks good on the bottom. Ready for tacking. All right, firing up. Keep it steady now. Watch the alignment.
Yes.
Okay, easy, easy. Looks good right there. Hold it for the tack. Clear.
Let's check the alignment again. Perfect, the gaps are consistent now.
And the swing is smooth. On my side, past the clamps. Easy now, watch the gap on the corner.
How's the roof line look?
Looks aligned, go ahead and weld it.
The seam right here still needs attention. Hear that?
Yeah.
I agree. We'll mark it for smoothing before the next primer coat.
Make sure that spot is completely level.
Moving to the 320 grit now, almost done here.
Steady now, keep it rolling. Almost there, easy on the left side. It looks perfect in this light.
Okay, push that one tight against the seam.
Got it. Need the next piece cut for the seat mount. Check the butt joint on this one. Looks clean. Let's secure it.
Make sure the front edge catches the rail properly.
Got it. Push up on your side.
Okay, slide it back until it catches. Got the click, it's locked in. Hand me the driver, I'll secure the bolts.
Align the front bracket. Got it. Now hit the drill. Secure. Push that section firmly until you hear the click.
Got it. I'm checking the vents now.
Floor grills are secured on this side.
Check the alignment on this rail.
Looks good. First aid compartment is locked in place. Screen secure.
Easy now.
Okay, the front harness is secure.
Good, I just clipped the main run by the access panel.
Front axle height looks good.
Okay.
Rear tandem is spot on. Okay, tilt it in, got the bottom channel, push up, firm pressure on the top.
Okay, try the crank now, slowly does it. Smooth operation confirmed, looks good.